Hi, my name is Al Kelly, and I'm the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Visa. And I want to thank my friend Tony Capuano of Marriott for inviting me to share how Visa is working to move the needle to address the COVID-19 pandemic. While the world has made a lot of progress against COVID, we cannot be complacent as the virus continues to take an unimaginable toll on communities in many countries, such as India and Brazil. There's much more work to be done to protect our loved ones, to help the world get back to business, and to ensure COVID-19 doesn't further create economic inequality. As relief needs have evolved, we must expand our support for medical professionals and the global vaccination effort if we're to defeat this virus for everyone, everywhere. There is particularly critical need given the recent spike in cases in developing countries and the ongoing disparities in how the virus has impacted communities of color in the United States. That's why Visa is prioritizing supporting global vaccination distribution to ensure the vaccines reach as many people in the world as quickly as possible. The Visa Foundation has pledged $4.5 million to the Gavi COVAX Advanced Market Commitment to support the rapid and equitable distribution of COVID-19 vaccines in India and around the world. We're grateful to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for their visionary leadership in the creation of Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, and for matching our contributions through their support of the Gavi Matching Gift Fund, resulting in $9 million of support for vaccine access across the world. We've also committed $500,000 to Civic Nation's Made to Save campaign in the United States, which will help make access to COVID-19 vaccines more equitable for communities of color. Finally, in support of our 1,700 colleagues in India, Visa is also now double matching donations of up to $1 million for 5 different organizations that are supporting India in their very difficult time. And that brings our total impact to addressing the COVID wave to over $10 million. Visa remains committed to working with local governments and healthcare providers to provide access to the vaccine free of charge to our employees and their families. And lastly, to each of you, I encourage everyone everywhere to get vaccinated. It's good for you, and it will help all around you feel more comfortable. And as people become more comfortable, the recovery will accelerate. With that, I now challenge Doug Parker, the CEO of American Airlines, to tell how American Airlines is helping to move the needle.